Dear students, myself Dr. M.K. Goyal, Department of Applied Science and Humanities Department. We shall take the lecture of Mathematics 4th KS 302 course of partial differential equation. We shall take the lecture of partial differential equation in which the topic is non-homogeneous partial differential equation. That is based on the topic non-homogeneous. In the various lectures, we have discussed homogeneous, non-homogeneous, and we are taking the partial differential equation of higher order with constant coefficient. First of all, I want to tell what is the why we use the word higher order constant coefficient partial differential equation. That means a equation having d square y over dx square d square y over dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 3x is equal to y. That means the equation of partial derivatives. We are using the word partial derivatives. That is, we are going the differential equation of partial differential equation. That means we are taking of partial differentiation. That means taking of partial differentiation with higher order second and third degree. That means, and with constant, these are the coefficients of constant coefficients. That is why we are using the word partial differential equation with constant coefficients. We are taking the lecture of non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient, and the equation is given in the form function of phi dd dash. That means there are the two derivatives, so we are using the word partial differentiation. If there is only one variable, then we use the differential equation. There are more than one variable, that is we are using the word partial differentiation. And there is the function of d and d dash having the function phi is equal to fxy. That means function of xy. If the polynomial is dd dash is not homogeneous, then it is called non-homogeneous. That means you are taking the degree of each and every coefficient is not same with each other. That means that is called non-homogeneous. We are using the word non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous means not the degree same in each factor, in each variable. That means the complete solution is given by of the equation is z is equal to cf plus pi. That means there are the two variables. That means we have to find the solution. Z is equal to cf plus pi. Cf means complementary function is equal to complementary function, and pi is equal to particular integral. Our solution is consists of the two part. There is z is equal to cf plus pi. One is complementary function, other is complementary particular integral, and the general solution is completed with the help of complementary function plus particular integral. That means we are taking the function of phi dd dash. Phi dd dash is equal to d minus m d dash minus a. D minus m d dash minus a, and we are using the word, we have to take the value of m and a, and their cf is to be taken as e की power ax f function of y plus mx. That means we have to compare our equation with the relation of the d minus m d dash minus a, and after comparing we have to calculate the value of m and a, and cf is given by e की power ax f y plus mx. In case of the repeated roots, there are the three repeated roots, d minus m d dash minus a ka whole cube, z is equal to 0. That means we are taking value of 3. That means d minus m d dash minus a, d minus m d dash minus a, and d minus m d dash minus a into z barabar 0. Three repeated values. Therefore, the values are taken as e की power ax, z is equal to e की power ax f1 y plus mx for the first factor, and on multiplication by x e की power ax f y plus mx for the another f2, and plus x square e की power ax f3 y plus mx. That means when the taking of the function is repeated, then we are taking the value of 1, x, x square, x cube and so on in each factor. Therefore, we have to take the solution of e की power ax f1 y plus mx plus x e की power ax f2 y plus mx plus x square e की power ax f3 y plus mx. There are the two cases when the repeated roots are there. There are the single roots are there. And if we are unable to factorize into the linear factors, then we have to adopt another process. That means this is the part d minus d dash ka square into z barabar 0. It cannot be resolved into the linear factor. That is why we have to take the trial solution. Trial solution is z is equal to, let us assume, a e की power hx plus ky, where h and k are constants. If it is a trial solution, then it must be satisfy this equation. So we have to calculate the dz. dz is equal to del by del z del x, and we have to calculate ah e की power hx plus ky. Similarly, del d dash z is equal to ak e की power hx plus ky, and here the term is d dash square. That means the term is ak square e की power hx plus ky. अगर ये इसका solution है तो इसे satisfy करेगा, and we have to put this solution in our equation. And putting this value in our equation, we have the relation a e की power hx plus ky into h minus a e की power hx plus ky into k square is equal to 0. And a e की power hx plus ky is taken as common, and h minus k square is equal to 0. And this factor cannot be become 0. Why this is not equal to 0? Since it is the solution, if we have considered this solution, that is equal to 0. That becomes h minus k square is equal to 0. H is equal to k square. That means we have to calculate, we have taken the value of h. So solution is become z is equal to some a e की power hx plus ky, and h is replaced by k square. That is become a e की power k square x plus ky. And we have the values taken as summation for the whole solution. That means this is the solution in the case of when we are unable to resolve into the linear factor, single factor. Now let us take the example for this. Solve the equation r plus 2s plus t plus 2p plus 2q is equal to plus z is equal to 0. R is taken as d square z, t is taken as d dash square z, s is taken as dd dash z, and we are putting this value. R is taken as d square, d dash z, t is d dash square, p is taken as 2d, 2d and 1, z is equal to 0. On factorize, that is become d plus d dash plus 1 into z square is equal to z. These are the repeated roots for the 2 times. And after completing here, d minus md dash minus a is equal to 0. On comparing this, a is taken as minus 1 and m is taken as minus 1. Therefore, the solution is become, CF is become e की power minus x d plus md square plus z is equal to 0. And solution is become e की power minus x f1 y minus x, that is e की power minus x f1 y minus x plus x e की power minus x f2 y minus x. We are taking the multiply 1 x since vector is repeated, and right hand side there is no function, so pi is equal to 0. So therefore the complete solution is become z is equal to e की power minus x f1 y minus x plus x e की power minus x f2 y minus x. That is the complete solution, because here pi is equal to 0. Now take the another example, d square plus d dash square minus p square into z is equal to 0. It cannot be resolved into the linear factor. So we have to adopt the process of z is equal to summation a e की power hx plus ky, and putting the value of d square z is equal to summation a e की power hx plus ky into h square, d dash square z, a summation a e की power hx plus ky into k square, and putting this value in our solution, because it is our trial solution, putting this value in this equation, that is become a e h square plus k square minus p square into e की power hx plus ky is equal to 0. And putting this value a e की power hx plus ky, this factor is non-zero because it is the solution, and solution is never taken as 0. So therefore h square plus k square minus p square is equal to 0. We have the relation, and that is become h square plus k square is equal to p square. Hence we have the relations of CF is summation a e की power hx plus ky, where h square plus k square is equal to p square. So after putting this value in terms of h or k, or we can directly use as the solution of this equation, z is equal to summation a e की power hx plus ky, where h square plus k square minus p square is equal to 0. So first we have decided the CF, and the complete solution is to be completed with the help of pi. That is, therefore we shall calculate pi. So it is an important concept, and there are the various cases of the pi, in which first case is when the function is function of pi for e की power ax plus by. So we have to calculate in the terms of phi dd dash e की power ax plus by. Put d is equal to a, d dash is equal to b, and substituting this value, that is become phi ab e की power ax plus by. It is to be important provided phi ab is not equal to 0. Phi ab is not equal to 0, then it can be right as. Now let us take the example of d into d minus 2d dash minus 3 into z is equal to e की power x plus 2y. Here we have to calculate two types. Here we have to calculate CF as well as PI. So CF, on comparing dz is equal to 0. That means del z over del x is equal to 0. That means z is the independent of x. That means z is the function of y. So z is the function of y is the first term. And after comparing d minus 2d dash minus 3 into z is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3 and m is equal to 2, and solution is z is equal to e की power 3x f2 y plus 2x. So complete CF is become f1y plus e की power 3x f2y plus 2x. CF is to be calculated. Now PI is calculated as 1 upon d minus 2d dash minus 3 into e की power x plus 2y. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, and we have to substituting this value in this relation. d की जगह पर a रखेंगे, d dash की जगह पर b रखेंगे, d is replaced by a, d dash is replaced by b, and a is taken as 1, b is taken as 2. That is become 1 and 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 3, and that is become 1 plus 1 by 6 e की power x plus 2y. Therefore solution is z is equal to CF plus PI, and that is become the complete solution of our equation. So in the first case we have taken the value of e की power x plus 2y. In the second case we are taking the value of e की power x plus 2y is take a value of sin ax plus by and cos ax plus by. How to calculate? So first second case function is sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by. So first we have to write in the terms of phi dd dash sin ax plus by plus cos ax plus by. Here the function is phi dd dash. Phi dd dash means there is the function of second degree, third degree, 2 में degree. That means d square d dash square or function of sine ax plus by or cos ax plus by. And replace here d square is replaced by minus a square, d dash square is replaced by minus b square, and dd dash is replaced by minus ab. And the function is become minus a square minus ab minus b square. And it must be remembered that it should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, the function cannot be operated. Let us take the example for this. D square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1 into z is equal to sine x plus 2y. That is the d square. D square minus dd dash minus d dash minus 1 into z is equal to sine x plus 2y. We have to calculate two terms, number one CF and number two PI. On factorize, that is become in the form of d minus 1 into d minus d dash plus 1 into z is equal to sine x plus 2y. इस कंपेयर करिए इसमें d और a को. a is equal to 1, that CF is equal to e की पावर x f1 y plus 0x plus here e की पावर minus x f2 y plus 1x. That is the complete CF of this equation. Now we have to calculate PI. PI is taken as 1 upon d square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1 into sine x plus 2y. Here comparing this with ax plus by. A is taken as 1, b is taken as 2, and d square is equal to replaced by minus a square, that means minus 1, and d dash square is equal to minus b square is equal to minus 4. And putting this value in this, and dd dash is equal to minus ab, and that will become minus 2. Substituting this value, minus 1 d square replace कर दिया, dd dash की जगह minus 2 replace कर दिया, d dash as it is छोड़ दिया क्योंकि d dash की वैल्यू हम नहीं रख सकते माइनस में, d dash minus 1 into sine x plus 2y, and that is become 1 upon d dash sine x plus 2y. Here it is to be remembered 1 upon d means integration with respect to x, 1 upon d dash means integration with respect to y. So here we have to integrate with respect to y. y के रेस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, माइनस कॉस x plus 2y divided by 2. That means pi is become minus cos x plus 2y divided by 2. So complete solution is become e की power minus x f1y plus e की power minus x f2y plus x minus cos x plus 2y. That is the case of sine ax plus by. Another, that is the second case, in which first case we have taken e की power ax plus by. First case. Second case we have taken as sine ax plus by or cos ax plus by. Cos ax plus by. And now we are taking the another case of x की power m y की power n. That is the algebraical function. Algebraical function. Algebraical polynomial function. So pi you have to calculate. That means we have to take in as the form of phi dd dash x की power m y की power n. We are taking the x की power m y की power n in such a way that m or n may be vary. So first we have to represent d and d dash is taken as common, and that means change into the binomial expression. Binomial expression and taken as in the upper side in the numerator and x की power m y की power n, in which the evaluation can be evaluated phi dd dash minus 1 in the ascending power of d dash upon d if m is greater than n, otherwise d dash upon d if m is less than n. So we can write in the example. Now let us take the example for the support of this. Now we are taking the example of s plus p minus q plus is equal to z plus xy. So we have represent the equation. S is taken as dd dash, p is taken as d, and q is taken as d dash, and xy is term, z term is transferred to left side, and that is become, the equation is become dd dash plus d minus d dash minus 1 into z is equal to xy. And after factorizing, that becomes d minus 1 and d dash plus 1 into z is equal to xy. the complete solution will be obtained with the help of CF and PI. So first we have to calculate the CF. CF here e की power 1x f1 y plus 0x, that is become e की power x f1y. Similarly, on the same way, we are taking e की power x, that is become here e की power minus y f2x. Why we are taking the f2x? Here the function of d, that is become f1y. Here function of d dash to become f2x. Now pi is equal to 1 upon d minus 1 into d dash plus 1 into xy. So we have to write in the form, यहां से -1 कॉमन लीजिए, यहां से 1 कॉमन लीजिए, -1 कॉमन आ गया, -1 कॉमन लेने के बाद ऊपर ले जाएंगे 1 माइनस डी की पावर -1 बाइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन के लिए, -1 डी डैश -1 इंटू xy. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यहां से 1 माइनस डी बाइनोम से 1 प्लस डी स्क्वायर एंड इसे एक्सपेंड करके 1 माइनस डी डैश इंटू xy. On multiplication 1 is taken as 1 plus d square. D square is term is taken as 0 because d square xy does not exist. x का एक ही बार वेरिएबल एग्जिस्ट करेगा, डिफरेंशियल एग्जिस्ट करेगा, 2 बार एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा, इसलिए डी डैश की टर्म नहीं आएगी, डी स्क्वायर टर्म की नहीं आएगी, ये टर्म बेकार है, इस टर्म वैल्यू नहीं दे पाएगा. यहां से आप देखेंगे तो यहां से देगा 1 प्लस डी माइनस डी डैश माइनस 1, that is become minus xy plus y minus x minus 1, and that is become x plus 1 minus xy minus y. So complete solution is become z is equal to cf plus pi, and cf is taken as upper side and pi is just calculated, and we have write the solution of e की power x f1y plus e की power minus x f2y equal to f2x plus 1 minus xy. Here we have to check 1 plus d and 1 minus d dash, 1 minus d dash, that gives the term 1 plus d minus d dash minus dd dash. ये टर्म अप्रोप्रिएट होगी साथ में xy की. इस टर्म के साथ देखिए 1 के साथ आ जाएगा xy प्लस d मींस डिफरेंशियल तो y माइनस d डैश के साथ करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगी टर्म x और dd डैश की टर्म आएगी तो आएगा -1. That is the term. That is the term. Now there are another case fourth. Case fourth, there means there is two functions e की power ax plus by into v. Pi is equal to. There means e की power ax plus by into v. V is another function. V may be e की power ax plus by, v may be sin ax plus by, v may be x की power m, y की power n, v may be constant. One. First function is e की power ax plus by, second function is v. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, e की power ax plus by को एंट्री देंगे. e की power ax plus by is entered by replacing d की जगह पर d plus a रिप्लेस करेंगे. Replace d is replaced by d plus a and d dash is replaced by d dash plus b, and the function is become phi d plus d a d dash plus b. E की power ax plus by is already entered, we have calculated. E की power ax plus by into 1 upon function of d plus a or d plus b function into v. अब according to v we have to calculate. According to v, that means if that is the sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by, then we have to replace d square is equal to minus a square. For the support of this, we are taking the example of d minus 3d dash minus 2 का whole cube into z is equal to 6 e की power 2x sin 3x plus y. d minus 3d dash minus 2, that means the repeated root. So CF is calculated as the 3 times. That means e की power 2x f1 y plus 3x and 3 times is repeated x की multiply e की power 2x f2 y plus 3x plus x square e की power 2x f3 y plus 3x. 1x and x square. Since function is repeated, CF is become this. Now PI. PI is calculated by 1 upon d minus 3d dash minus 2 का whole cube into 6 e की पावर 2x sin 3x plus y. e की पावर 2x plus 3y को एंटर कराइए. d की जगह पर क्या रिप्लेस करना है? d plus 2. Here b है ही नहीं टर्म, b की टर्म ही नहीं है, b टर्म इज एब्सेंट. तो वी हैव टू रिप्लेस 6 e की पावर 2x एंटर कर गया. d की जगह d plus 2 रिप्लेस करेंगे. तो d plus 2 minus 3d dash minus 2 का होल क्यूब sin 3x plus y. This function is already entered. Now we have to calculate the work for this. That is become 6 e की पावर 2x तो एंटर आ गया और ये टर्म बन गई आपके पास d minus 3d dash का होल क्यूब इंटू साइन 3x plus y. सबसे पहली खास बात ये कि अब ये टर्म आपकी नॉन होमोजीनियस नहीं रही. दिस इज नॉट द नॉन होमोजीनियस, दिस इज बिकम होमोजीनियस. तो वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द होमोजीनियस फंक्शन. Formula for homogeneous function, that means sin 3x plus y. That means compare with sin ax plus by. Ax plus by, d is replaced by 3 and d dash is replaced by this. That is become 6 e की power 2x and that is become putting this value, d is taken as 3 and d dash is, d की जगह पर 3 रखें, d dash की जगह 1 रखें, ये टर्म क्या हो जाएगी? 0 हो जाएगी. तो 3 बार डिफरेंशियल करेंगे, एक बार x, दोबारा x स्क्वायर, दोबारा एक्स क्यूब. तो एक्स क्यूब अपॉन 6 इंटीग्रेशन साइन एक्स का 3 बार साइन यू डी यू डी यू, साइन यू ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल डी यू माइनस कॉस यू अब इट साइन यू. दैट इज बिकम 6 एक्स क्यूब, ये आ गया एक्स क्यूब ई की पावर 2x साइन यू डी यू. साइन यू इज रिप्लेस्ड बाई x cube e की पावर 2x sin 3x plus y. Support of this. Now the complete solution is become z is equal to e की पावर 2x f1 y plus 3x plus x e की पावर 2x f2 y plus 3x and x square e की पावर 2x f3 y plus 2x plus x cube e की पावर 2x sin 3x plus y. Since here the homogeneous function is become, then we have to use the formula for homogeneous function. In this way, d is replaced by a and d dash is replaced by b, and putting this value that is become 0. That means taken as x is taken as multiply in the first time and that is become 3d minus d dash ka whole square. Again it is become 0, that is become 3x square into 6. और उसके बाद एक बार और डिफरेंशियल करेंगे तो d माइनस 3 डैश. 3 बार डिफरेंशियल करने के बाद ये टर्म हमें वैल्यू दे पाएगी. दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. नाउ लेट अस टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ d स्क्वायर प्लस 3d प्लस d डैश माइनस 4d डैश का स्क्वायर इंटू z इज इक्वल टू e की पावर 2x प्लस 3y. दैट मीन्स 2 डिग्री 1 डिग्री 1 डिग्री 2 डिग्री. That complete solution is to be given by the complementary function plus particular integral. That means our solution is to be obtained z is equal to cf plus pi, and we have to compare our result for cf d minus m d dash minus a into z बराबर 0. We have to calculate a or c. That is a simply constants. And solution is given by z is equal to e की पावर ax function of y plus m1x plus e की पावर ax f2 y plus m2x. If there are another variable, then we write is. Compare this term and compare this term. Now let us take the example for this. d square minus dd dash plus d इंटू जेड इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर. सबसे पहले ये देखिए कि ये इक्वेशन नॉन होमोजीनियस क्यों है. 2 डिग्री यहां मिलाकर के 2 डिग्री, ये सिंगल डिग्री. जहां 2 और 1 डिग्री आ रही है दैट इज बिकम नॉन होमोजीनियस. केस लगेगा नॉन होमोजीनियस का. इसके फैक्टर करेंगे, d कॉमन लेंगे, d माइनस डी डैश प्लस 1 इंटू जेड बराबर 0. देयर इज dz बराबर 0. दैट मीन्स डेल z ओवर डेल x is equal to 0. Z is independent of x. Z is the function of y. That is the function of y. Z is equal to f phi to y. And now another variable is d minus m d dash plus 1 into z barabar 0. Here a is equal to minus 1, that is become minus x, f2 y plus x. That is the another variable of another factor of CF. So complete CF is become e की power minus x f1 phi 1 y plus x plus phi 2 y. Phi 1 and phi 2 are arbitrary. You can also write as f1 y plus e की power minus x f2 x plus y या y plus x. Now we have to calculate the pi. Now pi is taken as x square upon, that is the algebraical function. Algebraical function. So we have to write, taking the highest degree of d is taken as common. Highest degree is d square. So we have taken the term d square minus dd dash plus d. Taking as 1 upon d square is taken as common. 1 minus d dash upon d plus 1 upon d. And that is term is taken as 1 upon d square. 1 minus d dash plus 1 upon d की power minus 1 into x square. That is the term here. 1 plus d dash plus 1 upon d की power minus 1 into x square. And after binomial expansion, that is become, first term is taken as x square, second term is d dash plus 1 upon d, अगली टर्म में आएगा d dash plus 1 upon d का whole square 1 plus into x square. That is the term. And after multiplication, that is become x square is the first term, and d dash plus 1 upon d into x square. d dash means differential x के रेस्पेक्ट में. ये वाली टर्म तो बेकार है, useless, because it is differentiable with respect to y. But here 1 upon d is, that means 1 upon d means integration. So x square, that is become x cube upon 3. 1 upon d term gives x cube upon 3. Here d dash square term is useless. 1 upon d square, that is 1 upon d square into x square. 2 times integration, and that is become x की power 4 upon 12. x cube upon 3, एक बार इंटीग्रेशन, दोबारा में आ जाएगा x की पावर 4 upon 12, and that is become this. And here 1 upon d means 1 upon d square means integration with respect to x. तो x square का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, x की पावर 4 upon 3 into 4, x की पावर 5 upon 3 4 5, x की पावर 5 का 4 का इंटीग्रेशन 2 times, x की पावर 6 upon 1 2 5 6. That means the term is become 2 times integration 1 upon d square. That means though 2 times integration, the terms become x की power 4 upon 12 plus x की power 5 upon 60 plus x की power 6 upon 60. 5 30 60, 12 into 5 into 6, 5 30, 30 into 12, 360. That is the term of x की power 4 upon 12 plus x की power 5 upon 60 plus x की power 6 upon 360. That is the pi. Now take the example of this d minus d dash plus minus 1, d plus 2d dash minus 3 into z is equal to 4. Now we have to take, on comparing with d plus d dash minus 1 into z barabar 0. Here a is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1. So CF is equal to e की power x f1 y minus x. That is the factor. Another d plus 2d dash minus 3 into z barabar 0. here e की power 3x f2 y plus 2x, y minus 2x, because on comparing with d minus m d dash minus a, m is taken as minus 2. तो कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन में CF जो आ गया वो आ गया ये, CF is become e की पावर x f1 या phi1 y minus x plus e की पावर 3x phi2 y minus 2x. Now there is only remain of pi. Pi is taken as 4 upon d plus d dash minus 1 and d plus 2d dash minus 3, and we are writing as e की power 0x plus 0y. 0x plus 0y, that means the first case d is replaced by 0 and d dash is replaced by 0. देखिए जरा क्या ये 0 तो नहीं हो रहा, d की जगह पे a रिप्लेस कीजिए और d dash की जगह b रिप्लेस कीजिए. d is replaced by a and d dash is replaced by b. a is take here 0, b is 0. That is become 4 upon 0 plus 0 minus 1, 0 plus 0 minus 3, and e की power 0x plus 0y, and that is become 4 upon minus 3 minus 1, that is 3, e की power 0x plus 0y, and that is become 4 by 3 e की power 0x plus 0y, that is become 1. So pi is become 4 by 3. Pi is become 4 by 3. So complete solution is become Z is equal to CF plus PI. Now we can write as Z is equal to CF plus PI complete as pi, and that is become e की power x f1 y minus x plus e की power 3x f2 y minus 2x, and pi is become 4 by 3 e की power 0x plus 0y is become 1. So complete solution is become this. So we have discussed our non-homogeneous differential equation in all the cases and complete the topic of non-homogeneous cases with various examples. Thank you very much.